everyone, it's Hannah, and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I have a fire and ice makeup tutorial that I'm so excited for y'all to watch. So my eyeshadow today really does just remind me of like fire and ice, and I'm so excited to show you all how I created this beautiful eye look. So if you want to know too, then just keep on watching, and let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Alright, first I'm going to take the shade Cashmere, and I'm just going to pack that shade into my crease. Now I'm going to take the shade Canary onto this little flat shader brush, and I'm going to apply that to the center part of my lid. Taking this tiny little sponge tip applicator, I'm going to go in the shade Diamond, and I'm just going to apply that to the inner half of my lid and a little bit into the inner corner. Now I'm going to take this little palette from this little Ulta set, and I'm going to use the little white glitter in the shade Put a Ring on It over the top of Diamond with this little sponge tip applicator, just because I want this to be just a little bit more shimmery and bright. Alright, taking my blending brush, we're just going to blend everything out. Alright, now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in the shade Carbon Black. I'm going to add a false eyelash to my eye, but something that I do really want to mention really quickly is I did forget to do my lower lash line on camera. So really quickly, I just did that just a couple minutes ago. I took the shade Cashmere onto the outer half of my lower lash line. I put Canary into the middle half, and then I put Diamond in the inner half. So now we're just going to apply a false eyelash to my eye, and then we'll be done with the eyes. Alright, now to warm up my complexion, I'm going to be using my Hoola Benefit Bronzer, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this angled blush brush. Now I'm going to use the Ulta blush in the shade Gilded, and I'm just going to be applying that to the apples of my cheeks using this Profusion blush brush. Last but certainly least, for face is highlighter, and for highlighter, I'm just going to be using the Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palette, and I'm going to be using the highlighter in the shade Afterglow on the high points of my cheekbones, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. highlighting brush. Alrighty, and then last but certainly not least is lips, and then we are done. So since we've got a lot going on with the eyes, I thought we would just do a simple nude lip, so that's just what we're going to do. So first I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Be My Baby, and then over the top of it, I'm just going to be applying the Tarte Lip Paint in the shade Salty, just to the center of my lips, just to brighten this up just a little bit. So I really hope you all did enjoy this fire and ice makeup tutorial. I really enjoyed creating this look for you all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you all in my next one really, really soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.